Midco Sales has a new Ford Jerr-Dan Rollback in stock at its dealership in Chandler, Arizona. It's a Ford F550 four-wheel drive with a V8 gas engine. Aluminum toolboxes are mounted on each side with a selection of gear included, and an air compressor installed in the passenger side box. It has a 3,500-pound wheel lift and a 20-foot steel deck. At the front is a Ramsey 8K winch. Inside, you'll find nice features like a power driver's seat and rear view camera. Midco Sales is the Arizona Jerr-Dan dealer. Learn more about any of our inventory at midcosales.com.